Welcome to this quick tutorial on finding your domain's DNS and NETBIOS name. On a Windows server with Active Directory domain services or remote server administration tools installed, open your Start menu and select Run. In the input box, type dsa.msc and hit OK. You should now be looking at your Active Directory users and computers configuration window. Right-click your domain in the left pane and choose the Properties menu item. Your domain's full DNS name is the first name listed in the General tab. Your domain's NetBIOS name is the pre-Windows 2000 entry in the same tab. Within Lansweeper, the domain's DNS and NetBIOS names are required to configure some of the available scanning targets, such as Active Directory domain scanning. This agentless, fully automated scanning target is suitable for scanning Windows computers that are part of an Active Directory domain. Additionally, you can configure a preferred domain controller for each domain using the DNS and NetBIOS name, which increases Lansweeper's scanning performance across your IT network. You can find more information below to help you set up Lansweeper and discover everything it has to offer. Check out these videos or subscribe to our YouTube channel.